Hello everyone! Start off by drawing a circle to make eyes and then draw another circle right beside it. Add a small cute little smiley face to it as well. At the top of this, add antenna. Then connect multiple circles to it. You are making a worm. This will be the body of the worm. Once you are done with this, use the same marker in order to line all of the things that you have just drawn, and this will make it all the more darker and easier to color in. Now start coloring your drawing. We have chosen to color the first circle in a light shade of yellow. Moving on with orange, red, blue, green, purple, yellow, and light shade of pink. Next, draw two eyes on a piece of paper. Leave a small circle in the eyes uncolored. This will make it look like the eyes are glistening. Following this, draw this curvy shape for the top and the bottom, and then you have made yourself a whale. Make a small little smiley face to it as well. Draw lines to the bottom to signify the belly of this whale. Add bubbles to signify the water around it. Then line it using the black marker, make it look all the more darker, and don't forget to add the fins. Once you are done with this, begin to color it in. We have chosen to color in the top portion using a light blue shade. As for the fins, we have chosen to use a dark blue shade. For the bottom lines, color it in multiple colors. Color the water in blue as well. For our next drawing, start off by drawing one eye and then draw a beak right next to it. Proceed on to color, or rather to draw on the belly. Draw the hands and then the legs of this penguin that you are creating. Following this, use your black marker in order to make a darker line out of it. Color in the outside and then color in the belly as well. Using different colors, we have started off with the color purple, turquoise, green, yellow, orange, and finally red in order to color the body. Do a green for the other side of the hand as well. As for the middle, that is the belly portion of it, we have chosen to color it in a light shade of orange. Next, start off by drawing a circle on a piece of paper. Draw two circles inside this one circle. Now color in the circle. Leave a crescent moon-like shape on one of the sides. Then color in the rest of it. This should make the eyes look like it's glistening. Add eyelashes to it as well. Draw the rest of the face now. Add ears to it and then add a unicorn horn to it. You will be drawing My Little Pony. Now draw on the body along with the legs and then draw a very twirly, puffy tail as such. Connect the two and then make it as bushy as possible. Once you are done with this, use the same marker, that is the black marker, in order to line it and then make it look all the more thicker. Do this for the ears and the hair portion of it as well. Then, once you are done outlining it, you may begin to color it in. We have tried to make it look as colorful as possible. We've started off with the yellow for the top and then we've moved on to a shade of pink. Use the different shades of pink in different places as such. We've moved on to using a shade of blue. We've used a shade of light pink in order to color the entire body. Finally, move on to the tail and then you may color it in different colors. We have started off with a shade of green, followed by a shade of orange as such. Now, after you're done with the orange, color in the inside portion of it with yellow. Don't forget to color in the horn as well. Thank you for watching.